Hi, if you're new here, I am Stephanie. Thank you for stopping by my channel. So today I'm going to be setting up my new pocket size agenda. So I had picked this up and I had hauled it from AliExpress. So definitely check out that video. And I am going to show you how I am transferring out everything in here because I am moving to, I want to start using the cash envelopes. I know I had said that I wanted to do that before, and then things kind of changed for me financially and, obligations. We moved in the last year and it just was sort of a whirlwind. But now that I think I'm back on track, I definitely would like to get back into resuming the cash envelope system. So because the PM comes with such small rings, I thought for the summer, we're doing a lot more things. I definitely going to be spending a lot more money, going into the warmer months. My husband will be celebrating his big birthday. So I want to kind of start saving, doing sinking funds, spending cash a little bit more cautiously. So I'm going to set this up and show you how I set it up, what I use, and switch out some of these dividers. So what I do to store all my dividers and items is this little folder that I had picked up from, sorry, this is not the right one. Let me grab the other one. Sorry, that was the one for my Motem. So this one is the little one that I use for my pocket. So all I do in here is I have everything labeled. So it says like dashboards at the front, notes, weekly, monthly. So I had printed out some dashboards and items like that before. So I'm just going to take a look at what's in here and switch some of them out. So let's see which one I should put in. I do have a whole bunch. I actually do have one here at the back that I'm thinking maybe to put at the front. It is this one that I had printed out because you do want something that is going to look good. You're going to have it at the front here. You know what? I don't even need to do that because... So that is what that one looks like. But I think I want one that's maybe a little bigger. So let's see what's in here. So these are all the vellum that I have that I had printed out before. And then I'll just kind of put envelopes in cardstock. That way you can get an idea of what it is that I have. I have this cute little one that says my name there, or even that, and layer it. This is like winter. I have that one. I think the Louis Vuitton ones I will leave off because I'm not carrying my Louis Vuitton, but I think maybe those dashboards will work. And I have some cute little envelopes that I made. So let's start. So I think I will use this one that has my name at the front. I do put slits in it, so I didn't need to actually open it. And then I will leave this at the back again. And then I'm going to show you. So these are some cash envelopes that I had made. Zoom in a little bit more. And these are the cash envelopes. If you haven't checked out that video, it will be linked down below. And so, okay, I think these ones I actually didn't, because I didn't want the money falling out. So let's open this and put these in. So I have my grocery, gas, outings, and things for the kids, and personal items. So those are the only ones that I'm walking with right now. And then I have my inbox that I made. And then my calendar. And then I just layered it with some cardstock. And then I do have some sticky notes here that I think I'm going to put in here as well. And then my to-do. And same thing, I just layered it. My grocery list. and items that I want to purchase once the stores open again. And then this is my weekly. I think I might change this out and use this one, as life is better with a cat. Let's use her. And then this is my weekly sheets. So I did purchase these on AliExpress. I do have already a bookmark in there, so I can leave this one in here. And then just take out these weeklies. I'm doing until June and doing maybe 2 months at a time. I just did a little expenses dashboard. And this last section is tracking my expenses. And then I think what I should do is put this at the back. So that is it. Okay, so I just moved this little tab, the bookmark for marking today. And I'm gonna leave everything else in my PM and just do a quick little flip through and show you guys what it looks like now. I'm wondering if I should just do all kind of black and white theme in here. We'll see. So that is what it looks like. So this has like a little, I made this one with a little slot here that I could put anything I need. And then I will probably try to attach some type of pen loop. I do like here because you do have a lot of space where the pens, actually no you don't, once you close it actually. So that is how it looks once it's closed. It's super cute. And then here I just have all my envelopes, my inbox, my calendar, my to-do, and things I want to pick up, and my weekly errands that I need to run, because that's really what I have this for, is for my errands, because I tried to use my PM as my wallet and put my cards in there, but I wasn't enjoying that. So I said I'll keep the cash in here, you know, that way I can keep track of my spending, and then just still carry my small little card holder for my debit cards or anything like that, which I probably won't be using, so that might become null and void. But just in terms of emergencies, it's always good to at least have one card on you, like if you need to get a tow or anything like that. So that is it. This is a cute little new setup, and that is what it looks like. So I will try to leave all the links for these items below. I hope you guys enjoyed this setup. And if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.